Alright guys, so I'll change my AC condenser on Mini R56. All you need to do is take off the wheels and take off the fenders, which I'm not gonna film it. It's fairly easy to do that. Later the bumper, it has only 4 screws and some clips. First one starts over here and 2 in the middle, so 1 over here, another over here, and last one on the other side over here. 4 screws and 4 plastic clips, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can get the front bumper out. Once you've done that, you've got full access to AC condenser. And to replace it, there are 2 screws, 1 over here at the top and 1 at the bottom. So they are T30 screws. I'll undo them now and replace it with a new one. Right, screws are undone. Obviously degas the system. Mine was empty because I've got a leak. You can pull it out with just your hands, no need any special tools. Once that's done, there are 2 T25 screws holding it at the top, and it should be now loose to take it out. Okay, just wanted to show you how the old one looks. It doesn't look too good. It just basically slides out. You take the brackets out, and this one just fairly easy slides up and out. Now the new one will go the same way in, and everything in reverse. New condenser is in. It's painted black, which I like. It had new O-rings, so change those when it comes. They are special O-rings for AC system. That's about done. So brackets are back in place with a couple more screws here. All I need to do is put the fenders on, wheels on, and the bumper. Currently I'm vacuuming the AC system. If you want to see how it's done, check my another video before I regas it. Alright, thanks for watching.